Hey there. So the team over at Drillbrush sent over this cleaning kit for the grill. The brushes are no wire and you get a slew of them. You get all these brushes that are going to handle all the parts of your grill. Let me show you how it works. So it has a bit on it, just like you were putting on a drill bit. You put it in there and tighten it up. Once it's tight, you are good to go. Multiple size brushes and applications. You have the great big flat ones that are going to handle the back of the grill and those flat surfaces. You have two smaller brushes that are going to handle the smaller, more intricate things. You have the two cylindrical brushes that are going to help get in those corners. The drill brush is going to help you with your grill, but it's also going to help you with all those other type things like your smoker or your flat top or your cast iron pans. With the power of the drill and you not having to manually do it, it's definitely going to be helpful in getting those type things cleaned. We had a really good experience with it. Old food was flying, grease was flying, flecks were coming off. It really is doing a good job in getting our grill cleaned. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if the drill brush set is a good product for you.